Hi guys, in today's video I'm showing you how to use hashtag in TikTok. The process of using these is really simple and easy. All you have to do is open your TikTok application. After it opens, tap on the plus icon, which is on the bottom of your mobile screen. And here I will use hashtags on my TikTok videos. So that's why I'm swiping it to the right side for recording a video. And just for example, I will record a video for a few seconds. After recording a video for 3 seconds, the next thing you have to do is tap on the tick icon. And now, if you want to add something else, then add, by using all these options, which is on the right side of your mobile screen. But if you don't want, then tap on this next icon, which is on the bottom right, before tapping on the option post. Here you can see the option, hashtags, tap on it. And always remember, write the hashtag according to your post. If you are posting a video of animals, then use hashtag animals. And if your post is about food, then use hashtag food, because it's an example video. So therefore, I will use hashtag simple. You can use more than one hashtag. Now do a random click on mobile screen, and you can see this hashtag has been added. The next thing you can do is tap on this option post. When you will tap on this option post, then your video will be uploaded on TikTok with your selected hashtag. So it was the fundamental way by which you can use hashtag on TikTok.